Best practices for all-natural, self-directed anxiety solutions. Get an ally. Humans are social animals. We do so much better when we are with other people. We do so much better when we help other people. Do yourself a big favor. Get somebody to help you. This is an ally. It may be your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your spouse, or it could be your parent. Whoever it is, it must be somebody who loves you. That person is basically going to walk you through your journey. Let your ally hold you to account. The cornerstone of the system that I have taught you in this training is honesty and sincerity. In other words, for you to overcome your negative mindset and negative self-programming, you have to be completely honest with yourself. And unfortunately, it's very easy for us to lie to ourselves. It's very easy for us to buy our own self-delusions. Well, you have to give permission to your ally to check you. Basically, you have to give permission for them to hurt your feelings. Because it hurts to be told that we're being self-delusional, that whatever we're saying is not true, we're lying to ourselves. That hurts to hear, but it's absolutely necessary. So, give that person permission so that person can properly help you. For a surgeon to heal, he must first cut. Always review your personal narrative. Everybody has a narrative. Everybody has this hidden script that is the story of our lives that we tell ourselves. We say to ourselves, oh, I'm poor, or I'm dumb, or I just can't do it, or this is who I am. Those kinds of things. Well, those are things that hold us back. And it's really important for you to look at your personal script based on what you've learned about your mindset and your past, as well as your anxieties about the future. Allow yourself to feel good. When you've changed your mindset and you've started seeing changes, own up to it. Say, this is a good thing. I'm making progress. I have the right to be happy about this. One of the most common and most frustrating things about anxiety is that you never allow yourself to feel happy. You never allow yourself to feel that you are doing something right. Well, if you notice a big change and your ally tells you that there is a big change, celebrate it. Take him or her out for lunch. Think about what you've achieved. It's a milestone because before you were somebody different. Now you're one step closer to the person who you want to be.